started this journey, day one at 191.6 pounds. If you guys are with me for 80 days, I'm gonna strive to lose 20 pounds. My goal is to reach 171 pounds. 171 pounds, that's 13% body fat if I keep the muscle mass I have right now. Fasting, using the tools and apps that I have in the description below, using my Apple Watch on a constant basis to feed all that data in. So if you're just joining me and you haven't been watching the last few videos, Athletic is a tool I'm going to be using to give me information to see what my actual recovery is. And based on that feedback, that'll tell me what kind of exercise I should be doing for the day. It's also a great tool to look at the calories in and calories out, because my current goal is to be about an 800 calorie deficit every single day. Now the other thing I'm using is my Apple Watch. My Apple Watch is a major tool to feed all that information at a quick glance. Not only that, but the heart rate tracking, the activity tracking feeds all into the Athletic app and gives me all the data I need to know where I'm at. The other tool I'm using is I'm going to be taping on a constant basis, or at least weekly. I use a food scale to track all my food a lot more accurately. I'm drinking lots and lots of water. I'm using the Waterminder app, also in the description below. And the next tool I use is Fitbod. I love lifting weights, and this is a great tool to give me information not only to see how fatigued or how much recovery I've had on each muscle group, but it automatically and intelligently builds a program for me based on my goals to help me lift weights and keep myself in a constant push forward. And the other thing I'm doing is I'm fasting. I use the Zero app for fasting. It keeps track of how long I fasted. And those are all the tools I use. So look in the description below for everything I'm currently using. So I'm really excited to share with you guys the fact that I am now down to 187.6 pounds. I had pizza yesterday. I rested for 3 days straight, and I'm down 4 pounds. That's insane. Do what your body's telling you to do, and you're gonna lose the weight. So I made a decision to go to the gym. I know Athletic said take a break, but I'd also recommended at least 42 minutes of a lighter load of exercise. So I'm just gonna go to the gym, have some fun with it because I love going, and lift some weights. Man, there is nothing better than having the gym all by myself. I've got some work to do still. Wearing tight shirts aren't the best, but yeah, that's gonna go away soon. So I just got back from the gym, and if there's one thing I've learned, just stay consistent, but also listen to your body. All that rest and recovery that Athletic suggested paid off, because today I had a great time in the gym. One of the biggest challenges I had today was my fast. For some reason, I had a little bit more difficulty getting to that 16 hours. I did make it to about 16 and a half hours before I ate, and I was really cranky. Other than that, I haven't had too many problems today. I've had a pretty darn good day. The best advice I can give you guys at the moment, 6 days in, is to have a support group. You guys have had such an impact on my motivation levels and my ability to push through, and I have seen progress for the first time in a very long time. So my encouragement for you guys is to stick with it. Start your journey now if you haven't started, or if you are going along with me, keep going, because together we're gonna make that goal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the like button below and the subscribe button right there. And if you want to watch a couple of my videos, that'd be great. But otherwise, your support has meant so much to me. And until next time, guys, have a great night.
Time for a haircut. Hey, that's not too bad. All right.